Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lacquer Lover, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to paint my BTS Stay Gold inspired nail art design. Start by applying base coat. I'm using Unpeel Off base coat, and as usual, all products used in this video are listed in the description box. Then paint your index and pinky fingernails a military green and the rest of your nails black. On the index fingernail, I'm taking a light taupe polish to draw the window at the start and the end of the music video, so I'm just drawing a skinny rectangle and filling that in, and then there are some bare spots and I'm just going to go over that with a bit of white polish, and that just adds a little bit of texture as well. And I also added a bit of black to the base color to create a darker shade, and I just framed this rectangle and added a horizontal line in the center to create the window. And then I'm just taking a lighter version of the base color and adding a few highlights, and then I'm taking a terracotta shade to add the curtains. I decided on this window design because it's at the start of the music video and I could use the same base color as my pinky fingernail to just balance the entire manicure. On the middle fingernail, I'm taking a silver chrome polish to draw the light fixture in a dark room, and I thought this represented loneliness and despair very well. It basically just shows how the members are individually and separated from one another. It's quite dark, and even this light fixture could not light up the room. And so now I'm just taking a chrome polish to add little sections within the lamp, and then I'm taking black polish to add the finer details, so that would be like the rings on the inside. And then I'm also using white polish to add the highlights because, you know, you need highlights along with shadows. And then I took a darker chrome polish, of course, to add more shadows inside, and I took black and white polish to add the bulb. And then I'm just finishing up the design by adding the little wires that hang down. On the ring fingernail, I'm taking a dark foil polish to lay the base for the doorknob. It is my first time drawing a doorknob, so I had a lot of trouble with like the shapes, but as you build up the layers and you add more shadows and highlights, it does come to life. As you can see, I'm doing that here, and I'm also adding the keyhole, so of course there's like a lot of glare in that spot, so I just used white, and then I'm just gonna go on top of that with like chrome just to blend everything in. Lastly, I'm taking a gold foil polish to add highlights and also to add the stream of light that is finally shining through the keyhole. On the pinky fingernail, I'm taking several muted greens, purples, pinks, and yellow shades just to build a colorful background for which our tree will lay on top of. And of course, I had to include the climax of this music video, which is when all the members gather from their dark spaces and just follow the light into this much brighter and happier place that is full of life, full of flowers, and full of trees. On the thumbnail, I'm just going to be recreating the cover art for this song. I took white polish to draw BTS's logo, and then I'm just going to be intertwining some colorful flowers on and in between. You should probably use white polish to lay down the base for these flowers so that when you do add the colors on top, they do pop off of the black background better, but I kind of ended up liking the sheer look of my flowers as well, so it is totally up to you how you want to draw your flowers. My favorite line in the song is, "In a world where you feel cold, you gotta stay gold." It is one of the first lines in this song, but I think it left the biggest impression on me because it just speaks to the truth of the current state of this world and how a lot of the light and the warmth does come from within. Now all you have to do is apply a generous layer of top coat and you're done. And this is my finished BTS Stay Gold inspired nail art design. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I also hope that you guys enjoy the song because I definitely am. And yeah, I hope to come back with more nail art very soon. Bye everyone!